Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick video. This week's Quick Pick is short China, and I'm going to use the iShares China Large-Cap ETF, FXI, to do that. If you saw my last video, which was about the return of another big COVID wave in China, not as big as the last one, difference was the last wave, the big wave, saw 35 million infections a day. This one looks like it's going to peak at 65 million a week, obviously much smaller, but you're still seeing a big surge, and it's going to have an impact on the Chinese economy. And if you look at a chart for the FXI ETF, you'll see what this is likely to mean. So here's where we're now. Basically, you're looking at not a whole lot of negative activity, just sort of tooling along at 26, 27, 28 on the morning of May 23rd. The FXI was at 27.86, down a little bit. But you see here, back in January, this was the optimism about, hey, COVID's going away, Chinese economy is going to reopen, and we're going to see a lot of growth. So you have this big anticipatory. And look back here, this is when the Chinese economy was in the tank because of COVID. And I don't think we're going to go from here, 27, 28, back down to the 2021 level we were in November. But I think we've got a good chance to drop, below 27, down to maybe 25 and whatever. So what I'm recommending, and I'll put this up in the volatility portfolio on my paid Jubak AM site, is what I'm recommending is a put option on this ETF. The ETF ticker is FXI, iShares China Large-Cap. I would see us going out to August because we're supposed to see the peak in this wave of COVID around the end of June, so you want enough time to let that play out. You can get one of the things that's very interesting about this is the put is really cheap. The August 18th put at a strike price of 27, so we're at 27.86. So we're talking to this is more valuable as we drop below 27. Is only $1 or $100 for 100 shares. So a cheap way to play a volatility event. And there's a huge open interest at this price level. So this is an interesting put to me, all in terms of price and interest and a macroeconomic trend. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we do next. We flipped the trend and the quick picks this week. So if you subscribe and it's free, you'd know that. If you want more of my stuff, you can go to my free site. That's jubakpicks.com. We don't do any options or ETFs on that site. For that, you need to go to my paid site, jubakam.com, which has the portfolio in which this option play will play out, as well as some ETFs. So thanks very much for watching.